لا هي عندي واحدة.
What color?
3 color and 4 color.
Wow.
4 mix.
This is the starting, right, brother?
Yes. I will start now.
By writing a name inside, huh?
Yes, I will write Jordan. I make a tree.
First of all, you need to make a design inside, right?
Yes.
That is what you are doing now.
I make a tree and I will write Jordan.
Okay. ये देखिए कितना सुंदर बारीकी से बोतल के अंदर ये डिजाइन बना रहे हैं. So what is the next step?
I will make a desert now with camel.
Desert with a camel. So that is the black stone. Black, and now this is red and this is orange.
You know, this is traditional Jordanian art.
Okay.
That's color, it's like Wadi Rum color in the
Okay.
desert in Jordan.
Yeah, Wadi Rum.
Wadi Rum is famous here in Jordan.
Yeah, I have been to Wadi Rum.
Yeah, that's good.
So you are making a design now.
Now I will make camel.
Oh, you are going to make a camel. Wood बना रहे हैं भाई ये.
Now I will make a legs camel.
Oh.
Come up here to see.
Oh, this from this side, huh?
Yes. I will make a neck.
Okay, now it is you are making a neck, right?
Yes.
देखिए कितना बारीक से छोटा पैर क्या क्या बना रहे हैं ये भाई मेरे.
I will make a fixed camel.
Okay.
It's not finished.
Wow, the camel has been ready now. Yeah. It looks like there are 2 camels here.
Yes.
And on other side 1 camel.
Yes.
So once the camels is ready and you are mixing another sand, no problem, right?
No problem. Now I will make a mountain.
Wow, ये पहाड़ बना रहे हैं भाई आप.
Mountain, I like to make a mountain. I put it 3 color
Okay.
for the mountain. This will become like desert mountain. Come this way to see.
How are you going to make the mountain now? Huh?
Yes.
ये देखिए कैसे पहाड़ बना रहे हैं. Wow, it looks so natural. The mountain, पहाड़ एकदम natural दिख रहा है. Wow, what an art, man.
Sky.
Sky in the mountain. Yeah.
Do you see the mountain?
Yes.
Look at this.
Why yellow?
I will show you.
Sunshine.
Sun.
Wow.
black,
Yes.
it's a paired. I do paired now,
Okay.
and the sun,
Okay.
let's fix it.
Wow. The mountain, the sun, and sky is 100% natural now. It is looking.
And now it's finishing.
Okay.
I will show you finishing.
Yeah.
زادتها. Look, I will mix one color,
Okay.
two color,
Okay.
and here another color. هلا بطولها.
اجيب لك واحده؟
لا هي عندي واحدة.
Third color.
Three color and four color.
Wow.
For mix, you can see the mix from here.
Wow. This is Jordan, camel, mountain, sunshine, and the palm tree. Wow. Khalid, you are great, man.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for showing me this art.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And this is going to cost how much?
Which one?
This one?
This one 7 dinar,
7 dinar.
and this one 5 dinar,
5 dinar.
and this I have this is 3 dinar, and this is 5 dinar also. And the
Okay.
small one, this is 2 dinar.
2 dinar.
We have a kitchen here for 1 dinar each, and I
Okay.
can write your name, any name you want, for
In-
any bottle you want.
Okay. Thanks for showing this lovely
You
art.
are welcome anytime.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You are welcome.
का आर्ट देखा, काफ़ी सुंदर है। ये मेन बाजार है यहाँ, इसके जस्ट सामने ही इनका दुकान है। कभी इधर आए जॉर्डन तो ज़रूर मिल के जाएं। थैंक यू सो मच ब्रो।